Mini excavator versus compact track loader, the ultimate showdown. Mini excavator or compact track loader? Which one wins your work site? Mini machines, big decisions. Both are game changers in construction, but which is better for you? Mini excavator equals precision trenching, track loader equals heavy lifting pro. Need to dig deep or trench? Go mini excavator. Moving loads? Compact loader takes it. Excavators deliver pinpoint force. Loaders, superior traction and pushing power. Working in confined areas? Mini excavators offer better rotation and control. Loaders may cost more up front, but excavators save on fuel and maintenance. Think beyond price. Consider long-term ownership and operator skill level. Choose based on your project needs. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Still unsure? Visit our site for pro tips, demos, and the perfect match.